Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone lock screen delay to wake up issue. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have reset your iPhone. The only solution left to resolve the iPhone lock screen delay in iOS 17 is resetting all settings on iPhone. So you have open the setting and then click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting, iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Then second solution, you have updated your iPhone. Suppose various users are complaining about the issue while locking their iPhones. To fix it, you must ensure your iPhone runs the latest iOS version. So you have opened the setting again, you have click on general, again click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be update on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have restart your device. Restarting your iPhone is one of the best ways to fix specific issues, including iPhone lock screen delay. So you must try it your own device. Then fourth solution, you have force restart your iPhone. If a normal restart does not work for you, then you must force restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. The last solution, you have turn off guided access. Guided access is the feature that lets you focus on a task by temporarily restricted on your iPhone to a single app. And further, to turn on guided access, all you need to do is triple press the power button, and for that reason it may cause the lock screen delay to turn it off. So you have open the setting and then you have click on accessibility, then you have click on guided access. So you have turn on and you have turn off on while time. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.